Worried about dealing with food waste every day? Certify can take the garbage off your to-do list. Just open the top cover, throw in the kitchen waste. The last step is to press the button and choose the mode. Mode 1, drying and grinding. This machine will break down the waste into useful fertilizer in 3 to 6 hours and reduce the value by up to 80%. Store the recycled food compound in a container and use it as fertilizer when you need. Mode 2, degradation by microorganisms. The micro-digestion powder is poured in first and then the kitchen waste. This machine will break down the waste into useful fertilizer in 6 hours and reduce the volume by up to 90%. Put fertilizer under the soil for plants to absorb. Mode 3, degradable plastics. If there are any degradable plastics, broken them into small pieces. In order to better play this function, you can put a part of the kitchen waste. After the few hours, it can be put into the ground together with the fertilizer and decomposed naturally. When this machine is used more than 3 to 6 months, you can replace the charcoal in the future. Can be used to deodorize. This tabletop machine can hold up to 3 liters of waste.